die Sturm. Clothes somewhere.
At your mother's place.
When I'm not there, call them bitches scary cats, I call them Carol Baskin. Body, yaddy, yaddy, yaddy.
Look at my horse is amazing. Give it a lick.
It tastes just like raisins.
Have a stroke of its mane, it turns into a plane, and then it turns.
Last night I had this strange
You're acting too loud.
What, babe? Stop.
I sit by myself, talking to the man.
I don't know if there's a strike going on, but they fight against proposed homeless shelter. Okay. Remix. And I'm on the feeling like all I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to filter you from the start. Hold on, and I'm the right done thing to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Buckalad remix.
I can't find the tank.
355, 355, enemy tank, 355. In the open.
355 that's...
Dude, 356, 355, he's right.
Are you sure that's a fucking tank?
Oh, fuck.
That's a tank, dude. That's a tank. Good hit.
Not a tank. That's a rock.
That's a fucking tank!
But I literally just dropped my bowl, and it just like, it bounced from here to here, and it's fine. And I can assure you, Corel, they are, break and chip resistant. It says it right there. It's true as fuck. Okay, are you ready for this? I'm gonna wash this out so I don't have to clean this up. Yeah. Yep. Good enough. Watch this shit. Oh my god, it actually broke.
Scusa, posso avere un cappuccino?
Con la pasta?
Sì.
Dopo la pasta?
Sì.
Sicura?
Certo,
che
sì.
dolore che mi fa. Prego.
Grazie. finita la pasta.
Siamo lenti, siamo.
Come ti
Abbiamo
piace?
tirato il più possibile per non fargli mangiare il cappuccino con la pasta.
おっぱい大きい方の声ってどんな声なの？
あ、でもそろそろ私のお相手をしてくださらない？
うわ F やな F やあんまりない人の声はどう違うんですか？
先輩。
あ、ほんまにないわ。ないわ。Hey, take off your glasses. Take them off. Take them off.
I can't never find stuff. I've been looking for my glasses for an hour. I told you to stop picking up stuff and putting it anywhere.
Looking for your glasses?
I'm looking for my glasses.
What's the last thing?
Addison, I had them on my face, okay?
Will they go after that?
Addison, y'all gonna make me mad.
¿Ya está ahí? ¿Termina?
I probably just did the most racist thing ever without meaning to do the most racist thing ever. We just went to Jim and Nick's barbecue, and this child right here tells me what she wants to eat, and I order it for her. Me not thinking about it, because I'm not a racist person, I order it for her. Jariah, what did you tell me to order for you?
Chicken with watermelon.
The lady taking our order looked at me like I was the biggest piece of shit ever when I said, she'll take the chicken and watermelon. I'm probably not allowed in Jim and Nick's again. Thanks, Dry. Thanks a lot.
And there's this. This is like boot cut. I don't know if you can tell. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a big fucking goose egg. Oh. Oh my god. What just happened?
So I was cleaning out my trunk and I found this purse. And I told my girl, hey, I found your old purse. Literally, she's been missing it for like 3 years. She's like, oh my god, that used to be my favorite perfume. Check if it still works. Alright, how do I even check if it still works? She said, spray it. Smells good, it still works. She's like, oh, okay, my setting spray. I was like, what the hell is that? She's like, oh, you just sprayed on your face. Okay, I'm going through them. Spray. Psst. Dog, this shit is pepper spray. I've been crying for like an hour. She did not tell me nothing about no pepper spray. I don't even want to test what this is.
We enter completely our own world. You know, it's completely our own world. And we like to swim in the deepest waters and fly.
They had put a fart machine into my sleeping bag.
This whole echo.
Yeah, and Michael Gambon had actually been pressing it during the take, I found out.
Daniel.
was the top charting song on 9/11? Like the most popular song?
This is the perfect example of intelligence over wisdom. You have infinite access to this information. You can easily Google what was the top song on 9/11, but you don't have the wisdom or the experience to know that that is not the funny question. The funny question are what songs were banned on 9/12 in response to 9/11 by the corporate radio stations here in America. They banned 164 songs. You can find the list online. Just Google that, but you didn't know to Google that. So here's some of the songs that were banned. Billy Joel, Only the Good Die Young. They could not play that on 9/12. Bruce Springsteen, I'm on Fire. Absolutely not. All Rage Against the Machine songs. They said fuck the whole catalog. Foo Fighters, Learning to Fly. Huh? Elton John, Benny and the Jets. That's right, not on 9/12. Van Halen, Jump. No. Kansas, Dust in the Wind was still in the air in Manhattan, so they couldn't play it. Pat Benatar, Hit Me With Your Best Shot, and Sugar Ray Fly.
How are you? Yeah. We were
I'm ready to eat now.
We were getting ready to head that way. Excuse me? I don't know who the f you're talking to. All I did was ask you if you wanted me to bring it to you or if you wanted to bring it to me or meet me.
Who's that? Who you talking to? Who you talking about meeting? Who that is?
Bitch, who the f are you talking to, motherfucker?
Yeah, bitch, who you talking to?
Don't make me get spooned and have to come over here and handle this shit.
Hey,
this shit is not cool.
Let
All
know,
I
baby.
did was call you to
That's
ask
right.
you.
I beat up bitches, boy. I don't give a damn, boy.
Y'all got him talking.
Yeah,
That
that's
is
me.
him talking.
You gonna,
Yeah.
hey, go get your mama and your brother and your daddy, because you're going to need all three of them fucking with me.
Bitch, I don't know who the fuck
That's
you
right,
think you're
bitch.
talking about.
But who is that? Let's go see about it right now.
You need to talk to your mom.
I need to, what? Mama? Hello? I can't deal with you, bro. Don't do that shit. Boy. Yeah, mama. I be talking to my mama like that, boy.
So I walk in this room. Nothing weird, right? Typical bank house. But then... holy shit, we got the last unmolested Backstreet Boys shrine. Look at all this. Backstreet's back, baby.
You only wear yellow gold? You don't wear white gold?
Yeah.
Good, you can have this. I'll give it
No!
to you. No.
No.
yes.
Oh, no, no.
No,
Please
no.
don't. Please,
No. You,
sorry.
David, put him on it.
Oh, God.
Then that's your shopping trip present.
Oh, God. You shouldn't. I feel so bad.
Don't be so stupid, you silly old bastard.
No, oh, thank you enough.
Love you guys,
you.
tomorrow.
Take care.
Go on, man.
You have seen that? Yeah. That's him.
That's you?
Yeah.
Why are you fucking filming?
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
Oh, damn, you're a real f***ing person.
Yeah, I am.
Because you're too pretty to be real.
Well, to be honest, I'm too pretty to be a girl. That's what usually they tell me. Yeah.
How the f***? I knew it. Wait,
Yeah.
are you a real f***ing person?
Of course. Bro, look, okay.
I'm so lost.
Okay, look at me.
What the f***? I'm so lost.
Why?
I've never been so lost in my life.
Oh, you see the vein?
Is this your real voice?
Oh, yes. You see the vein?
Oh my god, stop! This has gotta be a joke.
Why?
This is a joke.
No, it's not.
This is on 100% feedback, so nothing, it doesn't decay. So if you do anything, it stays there forever. Okay, ready? So no talking.
I'm gonna do it.
Just keep going. Yeah.
Surprise, motherfuckers.
I wish I was pregnant.
Lincoln, what is going
Це капець як смішно. Да.
Open here, and then run. Okay, run. Come here, you fuck.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding.
That's it. Oh, Brenda, yes! You did it! You have learned quickly and produced splendid butter. Are you sure you have not churned before?
Well, we don't call it churning where I come from.
Split.
If you want my future, forget my past. If you wanna get with me, better make it fast. Now don't go wasting my precious time. Get your act together, we could be just fine. No more, it ain't no lie. I wanna see you out that door, baby. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game for two. You may hate me, but it ain't no lie, baby. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Don't really wanna make it tough. I just wanna tell you that I had enough. It might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie, baby. Bye, bye, bye.
So the touch lamp is working with the cat's nose, because the cat is connected to the light. I ain't never seen some shit like this.
I've never used a bidet before. This is my live reaction. Okay, I'm scared. There's a rear and there's a front option. I'm gonna go with the booty. I'm scared, oh my god. I don't feel anything yet. Maybe it doesn't work. It's not doing anything. I hear what?
Sir.